Hi, today we're going to talk about the slope movement. One thing that you need to know is that when the line slants upward like this, it has a positive slope. When it slants downward like this, it's negative. Horizontal is 0, and vertical line is undefined. You also have this Mr. Slope guy that you can see. There's your positive, there's your negative, there's your vertical line is undefined, and horizontal is 0. So let's go ahead and practice. Our movement is rise over run. So on line A, we're going to rise 1, run 3. So that gives us a slope of 1/3. Line B, we're going to rise 1, 2, 3 divided by 1, 2, 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Line C, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. So it's 4/3. Line D is negative. So I'm going to go ahead and put the negative sign there. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you go down, it's going to be negative. So that's -4 over +1, which is a -4. Line E, vertical line is undefined. Line F, I'm going to go down 2. So that's -2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -2 over 6 is -1/3. Line G, horizontal, is 0. Line H, well, you can put a point here and a point there, and then rise over run. Or you can kind of go up the line and see where it crosses through an intersection and go ahead and put some other points there. So then it makes it a little bit easier to rise 2 over 1. So your slope would be 2. All right, let's take a look at the review of finding the slope given 2 points. So remember, you circle the second number and then do dash, line, dash. So I've got 9 and 6, 4. -2 minus a negative becomes a positive. So 9 minus 6 is 3 over 6, which reduces to 1/2. Number 2, you've got circle the second number, dash, line, dash. And I've decided I'm going to go right to left just because I see that it will turn into a negative if I go left to right. So I'm going to go right to left. So it'll be 9c minus c over 8 minus 2. So 9c minus 1c is 8c. 8 minus 2 is 6. So those are both divisible by 2, which will make it 4/3 c. Let's look on the back side. We've got some more review. All right, so on number 3, we're going to hippity-hoppity. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times -1 is -4. Half of 8 is 4. Half of -8 is -4. So if I subtract 4x from both sides, what's going to happen is my x's will eliminate. Is -4 equal to -4? Well, it sure is. So therefore, it's all real numbers. Number 4, I've got 4x. My -7 is my distributor, so -7 times x is -7x. -7 times a -2 is +14, and that's where everybody seems to mess up on this problem. All right, so then we're going to combine. These are like terms here, and these are the like terms here. So 4 minus 7 gives us -3x. 14 plus 2 is 16. And that's equal to -3x plus 10. So now on balance, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. And what happens here is the variables cancel out on both sides. Is 16 equal to 10? No. So it's no solution. Number 5, working with functions. Given f of x equals -2x minus 3 all divided by 5. Find the range when the domain is -9. So that means I'm going to put -9 right there in place of x. So it's going to look like this. -2 times -9 minus 3 all divided by 5. So -2 times -9 is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. All right, let's move up and answer problem 6 and 7. List a set of numbers that represent the range. The range is a y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom and just take and draw my line there, there, there. And those numbers represent my range. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. So this will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 15. And then I end with my brace. Okay, now then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to erase a few other marks I have over here. And I'm going to change the color of my pen to blue. And now we're going to do the X. So the X, I'm going to start over here. And this one's just a little bit trickier. And if you notice, there is a jig-jaggedy right there, which means there's a bunch of numbers in between that. But if you look at when you go from 20 to 25 and 25 to 30, they go by ones. So let's back up. So if we're at 20 and we back up 2, that looks like it's going to be about 18. So that's what we'll start with there. And then this point way up here, don't forget about this. So this is going to come down and be a 20. And then we have this one right here. It looks like it's going to be about a 22. It's going to be 24. Then we have 25. So 22, 24, 25. And then this one looks like it's about 28. And this one looks like it's 31. And this one's 35. So 31 and 35. All right. That's all that is, I believe. Let's look down here. Yep, that's all there is. Okay.